Welcome to this Adobe Photoshop tutorial brought to you by Mind Media Metrics. Today we are going to show a method you can use to perform retouching and skin softening on Photoshop with ease. Here we are going to learn how to make the skin texture smooth in a more easier and effective way. To begin with, let's duplicate the layer by hitting Ctrl J or Command J for Mac on your keyboard. Now make sure the new duplicated layer is selected. Hit Ctrl I or Command I on your keyboard to invert the image. Here let's change the blend mode to vivid light. This will blend the image with the below layer, hence we had to duplicate the image at the start. Now let's head to the Filters tab on top. Go to Others and select High Pass. Here let's select the high pass radius to 25 pixels and select OK. The image looks very smooth now. Let's go back and add some blur to the image. Go to the Filters tab, Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Here let's make sure to have the right balance of blur. The image should not look too sharp or look too blurry. For this image, 6 or 7 pixels should be fine. Let's go ahead with 6 pixels. Now we have to create a layer mask. Hold Alt on your keyboard and select the Layers Mask option here. This will create a black color mask. Now let's select the brush tool and make sure that the color white is selected as the foreground color and black as the background color. Make sure to select the mask layer, this is where we will be brushing. Now let's brush the parts on the model's face where the skin texture needs to be smoothened. You will already begin to see that the skin texture is smoother and it looks just amazing. Here we can see the image, before and after to see the difference. Let us know in the comments section if this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an update. We'll see you again in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and keep creating.